We're gonna raise the mainsail and show you how to do it.
Just like raising the anchor, we have two roles. I'm still at the helm, working the throttles in the helm. My job is to keep the boat into the wind. Well,
I'm going to raise the boom and raise the mainsail. Are you ready?
I'm ready. So I'm just motoring forward now very slowly, and I'm just a little bit off the wind, so I'm coming up into the wind, but okay. You can go right ahead.
All right. Before we raise our mainsail, I'm going to raise the boom using our sheets and our topping lift. So we're going to take this little bits at a time. I'm going to let out some of my port main sheet, let out some of our starboard main sheet, and then bring up our topping lift just a little bit. And we're going to repeat the process until it's at the level that you want. A little bit of starboard sheet, a little bit of port sheet, raise the topping lift. And just a little bit more.
I think so.
And then I'll be happy.
So what we're looking at, it's more just by feel for your particular boat. So we know the mainsail is cut such that when the whole main is up, the clew is a bit high and the boom has some angle to it. And we just know it's about there. We know the boom clears this hard dodger on this boat, so that's kind of what we're looking for, is just to clear the dodger.
So I'm gonna make sure this clutch is closed on our topping lift, because that is what's holding up the boom right now. Slowly ease it out. Now I'm going to prepare our main halyard on that winch. Okay. Got our sheets ready to go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All
We're
right.
into the wind.
Now I'm going to start raising the main. And I'm trying to leave the mainsail between the two lazy jacks. For line entanglement.
Pause. Now at this point we have to make a decision which side we'd like the topping lift to be. I know that I want to start sailing today on a a starboard tack. So I want the wind over our starboard side. So I'd like the topping lift on that windward side. So we'll put the sail onto the left or port and the topping lift on starboard.
Okay. Starboard tack, and I'm just going to watch for entanglement. Another good point to make is making sure, I know we didn't have any reefs in, but every time it's good to make sure that all these reefing lines are running free, just in case you might have forgotten. So I have all those reef lines running free. All right, I'm going to continue raising the main. As we near the top, we don't want to hold that button. We want to be aware of the luff. We want to make sure we're slowly bringing the rest of the sail up, watching that luff, because we might need to let out some of our sheets again. And I see that that's what's going to hold back raising the rest of this mainsail. So I'm going to let out some sheets. So I got my starboard sheet, letting out some of my port sheet. Might need a little bit more, as Darren is suggesting as well. Work as a team. Okay. All right, watching that luff. My sheets are pretty loose. Waiting for
Yeah. And we're just tensioning that luff. Our boom can still move around, so our leech is still loose. That's great. When we're raising the sail, we try not to over-tension the sail for the conditions. So in this case, we have really light wind today. We don't need a whole lot of halyard tension, so Just raise it just till it's a soft drum, and that's it. If we were in heavier wind conditions, we would tighten it quite a bit more.
Right, and it's not a problem to just put a little bit of halyard tension on later as well. All right, so I'm done with the main. All right, I'm going to close this clutch off, release the tension on the winch, transfer the load to that clutch, and I'm going to tell the helmsman that the main is yours.
The main is mine, so that means I could bear away here.
Yeah.
And let the main power up a little.
Yes, and if I need to, I'm ready to ease our windward sheet in case it overpowers the rudder for him to turn around. Gonna ease.
Do you want to show easing the topping lift?
Sure.
Right now we've raised the main, however topping lift is still on. The topping lift is on the starboard side, which means we cannot tack. So I have to stay right now on a starboard tack, or the wind coming to the starboard side, because that topping lift would be in the way of the mainsail. This is fine right now. We will leave the topping lift on. We have light conditions, and actually if we pull the topping lift, it'll stop the boom from moving around. But before we do tack, we will have to loosen that topping lift.
Gonna ease it out. So next I'm going to bring in the reef lines now that the main is fully raised. Not too tight, but not too loose. You don't want them messing about. So I'm gonna close them down. Looking at which one I'm pulling.
Meanwhile, for me at the helm, I've actually already bared away, and we're just sailing kind of on a reach or a close reach, and I can sail on the main alone. So I can turn my engines off at this point. Actually, right now we need to charge up a little, so I just have the engines up in idle and a little RPM, while Amanda's finishing the prep on the main.
To finish tidying these lines, I'm going to stow the main halyard in the rope box. Just loosely. Another option is to tidy your line, coil it, and lay it out on deck, or just do a quick flake on deck if you know you're going to be a quick sail away.